This lecture we are going to learn about formatting flags, which are somewhat like manipulators. They are also used to format the output. So let me explain the whole process with the help of an example. I will be creating a project and then click on next, C++, give a project title. Okay, I am giving the project title as formatting flags. It could be anything. Next. So right, go to sources, main.cpp, and let me tell you that at the very outset that your formatting flags are just like switches on and off. Once I have switched a particular formatting flag on, it will remain on for the rest of the programs until we switch it off. So let me explain this with the help of this example. I have taken these variables a and b and see how formatting flags are used. I am writing cout.setf. Setf means we are setting the flag. Setf iOS scope resolution operator hex. These two columns are called scope resolution operators, which we will be using in our course, in the rest of the course also. iOS is the super duper class of the super top, I must say super top class of the C++ library. It's called input output stream class. So we will be talking about this later on also. So here I am going to print A and B, and you will see that the numbers, they should be printed in hexadecimal. Oops, it's wrong. The values are getting printed in decimal number system. Let me see the problem. Okay, I have located it. Actually, the problem is by default the numbers are to be printed in decimal number system. So first we will have to deactivate this flag. So to deactivate, we people use this unsetf function. Unsetf. So cout.unsetf iOS scope resolution operator des. So see, the output is right. Now they are being printed in hexadecimal. So unsetf has to be used to put the decimal representation off. So you can remember unsetf to deactivate, setf to activate a particular flag. Okay. So because in the previous statement there was only single stream with cout, A and B were getting printed with single cout. Now I am making them on different lines. Even then it's working. Both the values are getting printed in hexadecimal number system. Why? Because as I have told you earlier, the setup works like a switch button. I have switched it on that all the numbers written henceforth, printed henceforth, they should be printed in hexadecimal number system. So now let me make it oct. So I want to print octal, the values in octal number system. Okay, so the values are being printed in octal number system, right? Okay, so let me use some other formatting flags also. First, what I am going to do is I am going to unset the octal representation, set of iOS scope resolution operator DEC. So as you can see, A will be printed in octal number system, but B will be printed in decimal number system. It's very obvious, right? Great job. So I think now you're coming to terms with the concept of formatting flags and also manipulators that we discussed in the previous lectures. So this is, let me put it into the comments because I am going to show you more formatting flags. cout.setf iOS scope resolution operator show pause. Okay, So what we are going to do is Cout and LB both are different streams, because Cout B is having different Cout, A is having a different one. So you can see both the values are getting printed with prefix of plus symbol. It was because of this show pause formatting flag. Now I am going to declare some simple variables of float data type. Float var1 is equal to some value. Okay, then let me show you how do we print in scientific notation. So I have put the previous statements in comments. So cout dot setf, I'm going to set the flag iOS scope resolution operator scientific. So that means the numbers, the float numbers or double data type numbers, whatever you are going to print, which are called floating point data types, those numbers will be printed in scientific notation. So cout and L var1. Okay. By pressing F9, I have executed the program. As you can see, the value is being printed in scientific notation. So let me take another float variable so that you can see that it works like a switch. So once I have set the switch on for scientific notation, all the floating point data type numbers, they will be printed in scientific notation. So even though the stream is different, cout stream is different for var2, yet it is getting printed in scientific notation, right? So unless we again use the setf to make our values fixed. See, I am using this formatting flag fixed. So that means, okay, var2 is going to be printed in an ordinary way. It's not getting printed in scientific notation. Good. So this is how your formatting flags they work. So let me have another example for formatting flag, and this time over it's going to be setf iOS scope resolution operator show pause. Okay, I think we have already worked on it, but let me show this thing. Working on A, stream is different, working on B, so it will work on both. Show pause will work on both. The plus symbol is being displayed. So this was bound to happen. Why? Because we have used formatting flag, and it will be like a switch pressed on. So it is like a it's like a button which has been turned on as far as show pause formatting flag is concerned. So all the numbers which will be displayed, positive numbers which will be displayed henceforth, they will be printed with the plus prefix symbol.